First of all, finding folks to work nowadays is difficult as it is, but finding technicians is about the hardest thing that any dealership can do.
The need is huge, and it doesn't matter what part of the country we live in. And nurses and mid-level providers and any type of clinician is so desperately needed.
There's a huge demand right now for workers and quality workers.
I learned how to wire weld for the first time. I had only ever been introduced by it from my grandfather. He was a welder in his time.
I got my grandfather's car and it had loads of problems, but whenever I brought it in for an oil leak and I actually worked on the car, I found out that I really actually love getting my hands dirty and working on cars like that.
Becoming a patient care technician is going to give me 1 foot already in the door compared to other students that get that in college. So I almost have a career that I can advance already set up for me, and I just know like I'm going to go into nursing school knowing this information. It's going to help me grow, and again, like I said, it really showed me what career path I want to go down.
In our auto tech program, the students that intern at a dealership or a shop setting have that wonderful opportunity to get the real world experience out there.
Having businesses provide internship opportunities for our students is immeasurable.
The students really get a really solid foundation for what it is like to function in a healthcare facility.
As KWS has continued to grow through the years, we're looking for more and more people. It's really important for us to work with our local community here in Johnson County. It's really important that we train and help train the future of our area.
I've seen our BISD students, and they are so incredibly kind and respectful. And I know that when they come on our floors, they're making a difference either in a patient or a family member's day that day. And I think that's one of the neatest things that come out of this partnership. And so we're going to grow together, and I hope a lot of our BISD students want to come grow and be a part of our family.
Our goal with partnering with BISD is to help our kids that are in the community that might have interest in what we do here every day, in return to help us because they're great. They're good workers. They bring excitement. They're funny. They live different lives than we do, and it's exciting to have them in the place. And I think it's a two-way. That's the goal. We want to invest in them, and hopefully they'll return the favor and invest in us.